Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to work on this another problem from Geeks for Geeks. So this problem is to find the middle element in a linked list. So let's see what it says. So here, if you see the problem description, it says that we have a linked list like 1 2 3 4 5, and we have to find out the middle one, which is this 3. So it says if there are even nodes, then there would be 2 middle nodes, which is right. We need to print the second middle node, which means if we have 1 2 3 4, 2 and 3 being 2 middle nodes, we have to print 3. So as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 and 4 are 2 middle nodes, we have to print 4. Good till now. So these are the examples that are given to us, and we have this method that we have to complete. You can see company tags here. So it has been asked by a lot of companies, but I'm not sure if they have mentioned all of them, because this question is pretty common, because linked list is a pretty common topic. So let's jump back to the logic, like how should we do it. So before we do that, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and let's jump to the solution. So this is the example. We have 1 2 3 4 5, and we have to find out the mid. So how should we do it? So logic is that we will create 2 pointers. One will be slow, one will be fast, because slow is going to move 1 node at a time, and fast pointer is going to move two nodes at a time, and we are going to iterate them, right, till fast pointer reaches null. So here we will let fast pointer move till it reaches null, right? So when fast pointer reaches null, then slow pointer is going to be at the middle. So we are going to iterate till next of fast pointer reaches null, that is the end of the list. So let's see a demonstration. So here if you see, slow pointer and fast pointer have been initialized to the head of the list. Then we moved slow 1 node and fast 2 nodes, and this is going to be the second iteration. Here fast is at 5, where you see fast dot next is null. So here we are going to stop the iteration, and we are going to see the slow pointer, which is going to be at the middle. So it's like fast is going 2 steps at a time, and it is going to consume the list twice as compared to slow, and the half of the list is going to be the middle. That's why we are taking slow pointer to be at mid. So this is the demonstration. Now let's see how can we do it in the code section. So again, I just need to create 2 pointers. Slow, initialize it to head. Then I'm going to create another pointer fast, initialize it again to head. Now I'm going to iterate till fast dot next not reaches null. So first I will check fast not equals to null. And then fast dot next not equals to null. So when that happens, we are going to come out of this loop, and we are going to return slow dot data, because we have to return the data. So it's here, if you see, node is node, and we have data which is integer, so the variable is data, right? Now what we have to do, we have to move slow 1 node and fast 2 nodes. So now let's try to compile this. Good, let's submit. So as you can see, it got completed and it successfully ran. So this is one of the logic. Now let's talk about the another one. So in the another logic, what we are going to do is we are not going to take 2 pointers, slow and fast. We are going to take 2 pointers, current, initialize it to head, and then we are going to take mid. So here what we are going to do is we are going to take account of mid on each iteration. So here if you see, there's this line, if there are even nodes then there would be 2 middle nodes, so we are going to take down this condition also. So here we are going to take in account the length while iterating over. So there is one another approach where we have to approach the list multiple times. Sometimes interviewer asks us to say like do it in the one iteration only. That means only one while loop you have to use, and in that while loop itself you have to find out the length, do it like divide it by 2, and then see if it is even or odd, and depending on that you will find out the middle, right? So again, when you divide it by 2, you again have to iterate till that length, so that's 2 iteration. Here we are going to do it in 1 iteration. What we are going to do is we are having a while loop and it is going to iterate till we find current.next not equals to null. So it's like we are just going till the end of the list, right? We are going to increment length each iteration. In each iteration we are going to increase the length. Then we are just going to check if our length when divided by 2 is equals 1. That means if it is odd. If it is odd, that means that our middle should be the next one. So we will just do mid equals to mid dot next, right? And we are going to continue this loop, current equals to current dot next, right? When this completes, it is going to just return mid dot data. So this is bit you can say more complex than the previous one. You can do a iteration, you can take an example of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and you can see if it actually works, but I'll show you like this. So as you can see, it worked. Let's try to submit. So this also worked. So I did a lot of trials to find out few solutions, and these are the 2 that I thought of showing, and there are multiple approaches that you can find or you can do. So I hope you might have learned something new. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. I hope you will have a good day. Stay safe and bye bye.